We're at the second annual LoeDown Crawfish Boil Car Show at Homestead Hollow, Springville, Alabama. The GT 500 and a 29 Ford. So here's all the cars we came across. Hope you enjoy. Ooh, caught you looking. Okay, so first of all, if you don't notice the big long low truck with the spiky wheels, and just in case you don't see it, okay, well here I got horns for you. But if that's just not enough, let me go ahead and blast you with my 2 giant subwoofers right at the front of the vehicle. I guarantee you won't miss this truck. Hey, Jim Beam. Oh yeah. If I had to guess, this guy I guarantee you he's a Bama fan. There's a little, oh, didn't see the rat, yep. Did you see the shifter, Sean? No. First of all, it's about half a foot from the ceiling. Holy shit. And it's got a giant skull. Okay, and then on that skull, there's a skeleton with a guitar sitting on top of it. A skull wasn't enough. You had to put another skeleton on top of the skull. Oh man, that's perfect for this truck. I love it. Mr. Mike Brown, Vinemont, Alabama, 1953 International.
I wonder if that's authentic cobwebs on the skeleton, or are you just supposed to be the way? So there's the cobwebs on it?
Oh yeah.
On the actual...
Oh yeah. Dude, I'll guarantee you that's actual cobwebs on the skeleton.
Added effect.
That's funny, man. Don't laugh, it's paid for. Damn right. Get off the phone and film. There's a reference there. Sean's 5'10". It just must feel like you're like on top of a house going down the road. And these wheels are huge, man. I mean, look at that. I mean, I could probably squat inside that wheel.
Yeah, you curl the whole.
That's a giant wheel. Wow. This car got best in show at the Homestead. Nah, this is Project Honda. Just teasing.